In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams channels. We'll walk through how to find the communities area in Microsoft Teams, how to add a new channel, and then how to invite members and complete the on-screen setup. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a space where your group can chat, share files, and stay organized. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the left side of the window. Here, you'll see different options like chat, calendar, and more, depending on your version. What you're looking for is the Communities option. Go ahead and click on Communities. Communities is the place where group conversations and channels live. Think of it as a hub for all your topics or teams. Inside Communities, you can either see existing channels or start creating new ones tailored to specific projects, departments, or interests. Next, we're going to add a new channel. On the Communities page, look for a button or link that says Add Channel or Add Channels. This is usually visible near the top or side of the Communities list. Click on Add Channels. When you do this, Teams starts the basic setup process. You'll typically be asked to give your channel a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so members will immediately know what it's for, like Marketing Updates or Project Alpha Team. You may have the option to add a description as well, which can help explain the purpose and any guidelines for using the channel. After naming your channel, it's time to invite members and follow the on-screen prompts. Teams will guide you through this step. You'll usually see a field where you can type email addresses or search for people within your organization. Start inviting the members you want to be part of this channel. Take a moment to double check who you're adding, especially if the channel will contain sensitive information. As you move through the prompts, Teams may ask about permissions or roles, such as whether members can post messages freely or if only certain people can manage settings. Choose the options that match how you want your channel to work. Once you've finished the on-screen steps, your channel is ready. Members you invited will receive an invitation and they can join the conversation, share files, and collaborate in one organized